Designed as a wide open-air extreme 4x4 machine, the Jeep Wrangler 4xe Birdcage concept showcases a variety of custom accessory innovations from JPP and Mopar, while also proving its industry-best capability, as well as its class-exclusive, off-road 4xe plug-in hybrid powertrain. Riding on an industry-first JPP 2-inch lift kit with Fox shocks, specifically engineered and tuned for the plug-in hybrid electric Wrangler 4xe, the vibrant Eagle Brown off-roader features Granite Crystal metallic and various signature Jeep 4xe surf blue accents. Improving the front approach angle on the Wrangler 4xe Birdcage concept is a custom rock slider skid plate that connects two rounded 2-inch steel support bars, integral to the custom 7-slot grille. The slider plate protects the recessed worn winch, optimally placed for improved rock crawling performance. For a unique appearance, two low-mount surf blue closed-toe hoops are securely attached behind the skid plate to the side of the frame for improved toe performance. JPP 5-spoke beadlock wheels measure 17 by 8.5 inches and are mounted with BF Goodrich KM 337-inch tires. New custom flat fender flares and wheel liners, designed specifically for larger wheel and tire combinations, provide additional clearance. The flat fender flares have integral removable daytime running light (DRL) covers for the off-road enthusiast who may require extra tire clearance for extreme off-road situations. This concept is the first 50-state legal fender flare with OEM DRL and meets 50-state tire coverage requirements. For additional off-road protection with 37-inch tires, the Jeep design team created taillight spacers to meet federal lighting requirements. The resulting location of the light assembly enables the concept aluminum tail lamp guards to better defend from trail mishaps. Illuminating the ground below the Jeep Wrangler 4xe Birdcage concept are underbody rock lights at all four corners, while custom rock rails on each side feature additional slider tubes mounted for enhanced body protection. For the serious off-roader who craves true open-air wheeling, the windshield and windshield wipers are removed. The design team tastefully closed off the instrument panel and created custom cowl and windshield wiper filler panel covers, creating a smooth factory appearance while protecting against dirt and debris. 3 concept header-mounted 14-inch JPP Tire-Eye off-road LED lights provide sleek, modern lighting. For additional storage, a 600-pound capacity Rhino rack cargo basket is securely mounted to the top of the roll cage. Inside the tailgate panel, a JPP swing gate flip-down table provides a perfect working or eating space and sits next to an integral onboard air compressor.